In this video, I'm going to attempt to teach you the fundamental of parabola in a very short time, and also to show you the equation of parabola in standard form and a graph of parabola. So let's sink into the lesson. If we ask what is parabola, parabola is the set of all points in a plane with the equal distance from a fixed point F, focus, and a fixed line L, directrix. So this is what we call the parabola. All the set of this point in this plane is called the parabola, and it always has a fixed point before parabola. It's called the focus, and the fixed line after parabola is called the directrix. So this line is called the directrix. Before directrix there's always parabola, and from the parabola there's always focus. The distance from the focus to the parabola is the same as the distance from the parabola to the directrix. Every point, even if you move from here to here, is the same as if you move from the parabola to the directrix. Also, you should know that the point from the parabola to the focus is called the vertex. This point is the vertex, and here we indicated it as A and B. Equation of parabola, center origin. If the center of this vertex is at the origin, the equation of the parabola would be y squared is equal to 4cx, meaning x, if you divide both sides by 4 over c, it's going to be y squared over 4c. If this parabola is moved from the origin, the standard general equation of parabola is given by y minus b squared is equal to 4c into bracket x minus a into bracket. Here it's the same as a, y minus a into bracket 4c, you put into bracket x minus a. And the vertex, it will be a, b as shown, and the focus it will be a, you add c, b. This will be the point at the focus, and directrix, it will be the same as the value of A, you minus the value of C. Axis of the symmetry, this is the axis of the symmetry. It will be the y is equal to B. So the value of y will be the value of B. So that will be the axis of the symmetry. Another thing you should know about the parabola, if C, the distance from the parabola to the focus, is greater than 0, meaning parabola will open to the right. If C is less than 0, the parabola will open to the left. Let's go where parabola can open either downward or upward. So this is the parabola which is opening upward. This will be the focus, and this will be the directrix, the line before parabola. And the vertex, it will be AB. So in this, the equation will be somehow different. Here it was y squared is equal to 4cx. Here it will be, we'll change the value of y to x. So it will be started with x squared is equal to 4c. Where there were x, we put y. Therefore, y it will be x squared divided by 4c. The standard equation of parabola, in this equation, it will be x minus a squared, which is equal to 4c y minus b, because this equation is not from the origin. If it were from the origin, we could use x squared is equal to 4cy. Because it moved from the origin, standard general equation of parabola, it will be x subtract a squared is equal to 4c into bracket y minus b squared. The vertex, it will be AB. The focus point, it will be A into, so here it will be adding on the y-axis, so it will be b plus c. So it will be adding b plus c, the point of the focus, and directrix, it will be y is equal to b minus c. And the axis of the symmetry will be x is equal to a. Another thing you should know that if c is greater than 0, parabola will open up, and if c is less than 0, parabola will open downward. Thank you for watching my video. Welcome to next class, which we are going to look on the question concerning parabola, how to solve it. Bye bye.